Subject Physical Education for class 11th, Unit 9, Psychology and Sports. In this unit, we will carry on the topic adolescent changes. In this topic, we will discuss today about social changes. Social changes in this adolescence refers to this period to develop and adjustment during the transitional period, that is infancy, childhood and adulthood. This period emerges from childhood and emerges into adulthood. During this period, the prank of childhood goes away speedily, and a revolutionary process to change start. In this is a period of revolutionary changes. The term adolescent is come from the adolescere. It means to grow or to grow to maturity. So mostly we will see in this age of adolescence or in the teenage, sometimes the adolescents adopt the way which are not acceptable to society and creates obstructions in their ways. In this condition, the adolescents turn to revolt against the traditions and customs of society. Sometimes various social evils spread due to this. Owing to attention, the boys and girls, they are at the service of other intimate friends. They are trying to present themselves better than others. They also have to keen desire to find the able life partners. They have interested to recreational activities like picnic, dancing, music, mountaineering or trekking, hiking, etc. So in this age especially, we are required the some moral duties, we are required some social disciplines, we are required some social qualities which is very important for an individual in this age especially, like some good habits, like some hygienic habits, like some cooperation, sympathy, coordination, respect to the others. So these are the some special qualities required due to the socialization in this age. And on the behalf of these qualities, the individual can show their good social change in individual as well as in the society also. So through this detail, we have to know regarding the social changes is required or important in adolescence period. Thank you.